Okay guys, let's check out our custom looking backwards VLOOKUP function in action. So over here in this sheet, what extra column I have over here is the registration column I, car registration number, in which I have the car registration numbers. So in this exercise, what we are going to do is we are going to look over in the car registration column and return the corresponding owner of the car whose car registration ID number is over here. So if this is the car registration number of certain car which is owned by Lily Scott over here in this case, so we want to look up in this column and return the output of the full name. So to do that, I will quickly add a sheet to this workbook, and let's say I will name this as car registration what lookup, say let's let it be that. And over here what I will do is let's select something to so that we have something to look up to. So going back to top, let's say we are going to this be the car registration number with the value that initially we are going to look up to. So now we have something to look up to, and let's use our custom looking up backward functions, that is a combination of index function and the match function. So equal to index it says array. So our array will be from HR file, and it will be everything from full name to it can be anything from before column full name to say the last column I have selected column. It's not available visible here, but it's visible here. I have selected D1 to I1. I could have selected C1 to I1, B1 to I1, A1 to I1. It's up to you, but let's say I have selected D1 to I1 and go down, and when you are done with the array, hit comma, and now you are on the row number. So for row number I will use the match function, and in the what did I do? I had caps lock. So match function, what I'm going to do is pass lookup value as this cell. We are going to look up for this value in the lookup array, which will be this column over here. We want to look up in this column, and I'm done with my match function. So I'm going to close the brackets, and I am out of the match function, comma, to the next argument, moving on to the next argument of index function, which is column number. And since I have chosen the columns as set of D1 to I1, means column D to I, so column D will be indexed column 1, and that contains the full name, and that is what I want to get displayed on the cell. So I want the column 1 as the output. Enter, and I have here Lily Hernandez